Welcome everyone. Can you imagine controlling our brain activity using just light? Yes, it sounds like science fiction, but it's real. The field or the technology here is known as optogenetics. Yes, by using this technology, that is optogenetics, we can control the activities of neurons. In our brain, neurons are there. And neurons are what? Neurons are tiny cells in our brain that send signals and control different activities like thinking, talking, moving, feeling, etc. So neurons are there and they are able, actually they control different activities, brain activities. Okay, so here the requirement is that technology, that is optogenetics. So what is done here actually, how does it actually work? So in optogenetics technology, light is used of different colors and a special protein is called, a special protein is used known as opsins, O-P-S-I-N, okay, opsins. So these are special proteins, these are actually light sensitive proteins. Depending on different colors of lights, that means if we shine light on those proteins, then depending on the colors of the light, those things can be switched on or off. That means here the light source can be used as a switch. So what scientists actually do? They insert those opsins, that is those special light sensitive proteins into neurons. And then they use the source of light either to switch on or to switch off. So that is the way they control the neurons. That means this technology, optogenetics, this is used to control the neurons by using special proteins known as opsins. Then there is again one more thing, that is a neural engineering. Neural engineering is what? This is actually a combination of engineering, neuroscience and technology. And one such technology is optogenetics. So what is the requirement of this neural engineering? The aim of neural engineering is to understand the brain properly, in depth actually. To know in depth these different diseases are there, brain diseases like Parkinson's disease is there, then epilepsy is there, then depression is there. So to understand all these brain diseases in depth, neural engineering is required. And neural engineering makes use of the technology optogenetics. Other technologies are also there, but one such technology is optogenetics. Again, this neural engineering can be used for the betterment, that is to develop better human-computer interfaces, so that the disabled persons, physically disabled persons, can use their thoughts to control machines. Again, to test new treatments for our brain, means for our brain diseases, this field of engineering, that is neural engineering, is required. But whether we can control our mind by using this technology, that is doubtful. Actually, that is quite scary. Whether we will be able to control our minds by using this technology and this engineering, neural engineering. I am talking about right now only optogenetics and neural engineering. Whether these are able to control our minds or not, that is doubtful. Anyway, but the aim of this technology and this engineering is not to control our minds, but to discover treatments for the diseases, for the existing diseases. Aim is to know our brain in depth. Aim is to fix the problems related to our brain circuits. For different brain diseases, no doubt there is a problem in our brain circuits. So those things can be fixed by using these technologies. Okay, this is a new field of study. That means, since it is a new field, that means research is still going on in this field. Okay, so this was all about, again, there are ethical questions. Who should have access to this technology? That's it. That is one kind of ethical question. Is there any chance of misuse of this technology? That is another ethical question. Okay, since it is related to our mind. So with the advancements of this technology and this engineering, we'll be able to know our emotions, thoughts, feelings, etc. in depth. Still, those things are unknown. We know only the words, but actual meaning, means scientific meaning, that is still unknown. Okay, in depth, nothing is known about these things. We have different kind of emotions, different kind of thoughts. Okay, anyway, so this was all about today's topic, and this is the end of this video. Thank you for watching this video.